National Weather Service in Mount Holly has issued a flash flood warning for northwestern Burlington County in southern New Jersey, northwestern Camden County in southern New Jersey, south central Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, southeastern Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Philadelphia County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 9 p.m. At 6:03 p.m., indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 0.5 and 1.5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts up to 0.5 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include Philadelphia, Camden, Bensalem, Palmyra, Jenkintown, Rockledge, Abington, Bremerhaven, Withenham, Tacony, Holmesburg, and Northeast Philadelphia. This includes the following highways: Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 346 and 353. Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 20 and 38. Interstate 76 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 339 and 344. Interstate 676 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 1. Interstate 676 in New Jersey near mile marker 4. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. The current